Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off our turn screen on permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we are going to need to open our settings, then we are looking for applications menu here, and at the top right we have three buttons: menu and special access. And at the bottom we have turn screen on, and here we have every possible application installed on our phone that can access this function, and we can forbid our application to use this option if we want to. No need to save, back out, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.